In previous video, I was talking about experiment to determine the EMF value. Okay, for that purpose we have discussed the relative value and also the absolute value as well. Here, watch out, third point is important. If this half cell is joined with any other half cell whose electric potential is zero, then we can easily able to find value of half cell. Here I will give you one example. Suppose two-person has gathered money, okay, and total rupees is 100. Now one person has given 0 rupees. So what is the amount of other person? સમજ પડે છે કે આપણા પાસે બે પર્સન છે, બે પર્સનમાંથી ભેગા કરીને પૈસા બનાવવામાં આવ્યા. ઓકે, એક પર્સને તમને 0 રૂપિયા આપ્યા છે અને બીજાએ અમુક આપ્યા છે. હવે ટોટલ રૂપીસ 100 છે, તો 0 આપવાવાળા પાસે તો કંઈ ના હોય, એટલે બધું વેલ્યુ કોની હશે? જેણે 100 રૂપીસ આપેલા હશે તેની જ હશે. બસ આવું જ કરવાનું છે. અહીંયા આપણે બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોડને જોઈન કરવાના છે અને એ જોઈન કર્યા પછી અગર આપણને ખબર છે કે એકની વેલ્યુ 0 છે તો બાકી જે આન્સર આવ્યો છે તે બીજાની વેલ્યુ છે. ઓકે, સો here this is the important કે whatever answer shown by the voltmeter put or in the series is nothing but the answer of the another, because one ની વેલ્યુ તો કેવી છે? 0 છે. So hope that you understand this point. Now further, so who will do this task? કોની વેલ્યુ 0 હશે? So here to understand કે whose value will be 0 is nothing but the value of hydrogen half cell. The value of hydrogen half cell will be 0. Okay, so that's why we have to study now hydrogen half cell. As we discussed in previous topic that the some half cell is necessary whose potential is to be 0, and such half cell is hydrogen half cell. It is also known as a standard hydrogen electrode. Half cell, and here only one electrode is there, that's why it is also known as electrode. Okay, so that you can remember it is electrode. Okay, it can be joined with another half cell to determine the potential. So this is very simple topic. Now after getting this much knowledge, okay, we will talk about the clearly hydrogen cell. So hydrogen cell can be defined as follow. The potential of individual half cell cannot be measured. We can measure only the difference between two half cell. Okay, hydrogen half cell, its introduction I am giving you. Okay, the potential of individual half cell cannot be measured. We can measure only the difference between the two half cell. Potential that gives the EMF of the half cell. Now difference will be the EMF of that half cell. If we arbitrarily choose the potential of one electron, then that of the other with the respect to this half cell. Okay, so a half cell having no potential is hydrogen electrode. Okay, so that is the here introduction, and just now what I was talking about, the experiment is coming. Okay, so first see this experiment, then we will come back to that. Here one hydrogen half cell is taken. See, now that I will draw you and guide you. Okay, what is that hydrogen? See, this is the hydrogen half cell. This what you are looking is hydrogen half cell, and this here zinc half I have taken. When we were talking about experiment at that time, I told you okay bhai, here we will do like this. So one is hydrogen half cell and another one is zinc half. Okay, now what you can see, this potential of this hydrogen half cell is 0. Now you are aware with the word that okay, this has 0 volt. The hydrogen has 0 volt. Okay, now here the reaction will be started, and suppose here one voltmeter is kept. Here we have kept voltmeter, suppose here. Okay, so this voltmeter is showing some voltage. Suppose the voltage shown by the voltmeter is 0.76. What is the value shown by this voltmeter? 0.76. Okay, this value is 0 and this value we don't know. Suppose okay, this I have writing, this is the x value, x volt is given here. Okay, now I am asking you one question. The contribution of these two is total 0.76. Okay, the contribution of the hydrogen half cell is 0. So what is this value of 0.76? So 0.76 is nothing but the value of zinc, and that here it is written that when you will join the hydrogen half cell with zinc, then the experiment value voltage will be 0.76. And instead of this, now vice versa, instead of zinc you have taken copper. So if you have taken copper, then this will show the answer 0.34. So now we are able कि भाई value of zinc will be 0.76 and value of copper will be 0.34. Come on, let's check in EMF series. Okay, whatever we have done is correct or not. That we are going to check in EMF series. See EMF series, where is EMF series? Yes, coming. So in EMF series, okay, let's study what where is the zinc. Here is the zinc. Check out the value of zinc. Oh yeah, it is minus 0.76. Okay, minus answer only problem. Where is the copper? Yes, here is the copper, and copper is 0.34 volt. Yes, copper's value come correct. But what about zinc value? Zinc value appear minus. So some problem in experiment? Remember, when we were doing this experiment, we were doing something different. If you have seen properly, I told you. See here, okay, zinc half cell and hydrogen half cell. Here zinc is taken left side and hydrogen is taken right side. You can check out that. Okay, zinc is taken left side and hydrogen half cell is taken at right side. Okay, but when we join copper, when in case of copper, the hydrogen cell will be at right side. Hydrogen cell will be right side. Here it is hydrogen, and copper cell will be left side. Okay, so that's why whatever the answer will come, one answer has positive value, then another answer should have negative value. Okay, you understand? So that's why zinc has negative value and copper has positive value. Okay, so with this experiment we have completed the path of to study hydrogen half cell. But before to study hydrogen half cell, I would like to give you some question, and without questions is possible. So evaluate yourself. First question is, what is oxidation and reduction potential? Okay, so potential of oxidation half is known as oxidation potential and potential of reduction half is known as reduction potential. Which properties are determined by EMF series? So metallic and non-metallic properties can be determined from the series. If A is 2 volt and B is minus 2 volt, what will be the cathode and anode? Yes, now we know anode value is negative and cathode value is positive. So cathode is 2 and anode is minus 2. So A is cathode and B is anode. Just now we have proved. Okay, done. In EMF series, if A is up and B is down, then what arrangement will give reaction? Now this is an interesting question. Simple. See above value and below value. So above value we have to make solution and below value will be the electrode. Above value will be of solution and below value is the electrode. That you have to remember. Okay. And last question. Give trend oxidation agent in EMF series, then oxidation trend in EMF series that you know nicely. Okay, how trend in here is the oxidation. So trend of oxidation is potential increases and reduction potential is decreases.